Hello, this is Monty with Country Living again. I'm here with another update and what I've added to my side-by-side. I purchased some wheel spacers for my side-by-side. As you can see, it sticks out further than what the body is. The side-by-side does. The wheel spacers are 1.5-inch wheel spacers. You could possibly see them. The 1.5-inch wheel spacers give it a better offset. It rides better. The only thing I would tell you is whenever you go to bolt it down to the mount, not the tire, but the lugs down to the mount, use red Loctite. Not blue, but red. And that way they won't slip back off or anything, because once you put the spacers on, they're not going to come back off unless you want to get rid of the side-by-side. So put red Loctite to hold them down, and then just tighten your tires down and you're good. I got them off of eBay, and I will send a link in my video so you can get some more or get some. And if you have any questions or comments, please ask. If you would, like and subscribe. And again, this is Monty with Country Living.